Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Little Angel Reader.
Do you like animals? Do you like riddles? Do you like animal riddles? Animal riddles. I am long. I don't have legs. I eat meat. What am I? Very good. Yes, I am a snake. I have a very long neck and body. I eat leaves from trees. What am I? Great! I am a giraffe. I am small and green. I live on and in water. I can jump. I eat insects. What am I? Excellent! I am a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. I am small and long. I can run very fast. I eat insects. What am I? Very good. Yes, I am a lizard. I give you milk. I have 4 legs. And I eat grass. What am I? Excellent! I am a cow. Moo. I am big and gray. I live next to water in Africa. What am I? Good job! I am a hippo. I am small. I can sing and I can fly. What am I? Great! I am a bird.
You can find me in the sea. I love swimming. What am I?
Very good. Yes, I am a fish. I am very small. I like cheese. Cats don't like me. I can run very fast. What am I? Excellent! I am a mouse. Squeak, squeak.
I eat grass. My body is white or black. People make clothes from my wool. What am I?
Good job! I am a sheep. Ba, ba. Thank you for learning English with us today. Email, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Little Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader, little Angel Reader, read along with Angel Reader, have some fun with Angel Reader.